In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Facebook feed so you can get your timeline back under control and start seeing the content you actually want to see. This is a really helpful fix if your feed feels cluttered, repetitive, or just not relevant anymore. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go in Facebook settings and what to change to refresh your feed preferences. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and tap the menu icon, which is the three-line button, usually in the top right or bottom right depending on your device. Once the menu opens, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Tap that, and then tap Settings. This is where Facebook keeps most of the controls for your account, privacy, and content preferences. Now, on the settings screen, scroll through the options until you find Feed Preferences. This is the section that helps you control what shows up in your feed, so if your Facebook home screen has been feeling all over the place, this is exactly where you want to be. Tap Feed Preferences to open it. Inside Feed Preferences, you'll see different options that let you adjust what kind of content appears more often, what you want to see less of, and how Facebook shapes your feed experience. Depending on your preference, you can choose the settings that better match the type of posts, pages, and people you actually want to follow. If you want a cleaner feed, this is the place to start removing or lowering content that no longer interests you. Take a moment to go through the available choices carefully. You may see options related to favorites, unfollowing, snoozing, or prioritizing certain accounts and pages. The goal here is to reset your feed behavior in a way that makes Facebook more useful to you. If there are accounts posting too much or content you don't want to keep seeing, adjust those preferences now. If there are people, groups, or pages you want to see more often, you can also prioritize them. Once you've made your changes, go back to your home feed and give Facebook a moment to refresh your recommendations. You may not see everything change instantly, but over time, your feed should start reflecting the preferences you selected. That means less unwanted content and more posts that are actually relevant to you. And that's how you reset your Facebook feed in just a few simple steps. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in how your feed looks and feels every time you open the app. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.